You do have a scraper.
Right here, in front of me.
Okay. Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you the snow. Look at all this snow. Isn't it beautiful? It is. We're supposed to be getting a blizzard. Yeah, I'm out here with wet hair. So I'm not smart right now. But we're supposed to be getting a blizzard until Sunday. But I wanted to show you guys the snow. Isn't it beautiful, guys? I love snow. Seriously, I love it so much. So, we are about to go out. See, look at the beautiful snow. And look at our beautiful hot tub. I ain't gonna show you our house because that's private. But I'm gonna get into the car. He's gonna clean off everything so we can leave. Ow! That was my freaking finger. You have my CDs, right?
Oh, no.
Go grab them when you're done. I just hurt my finger bad, guys. So anyways, we're just chilling in the car. Ugh. Can you wipe off my window too, please?
What?
Wipe off this window too. Give me the van key so I can get the defrost on. Hand it to me.
First, put this
Uh,
in the little holder.
okay, but do.
With perfume.
Okay,
There's the van keys.
okay, and clean off all the windows. Hurry up. So anyways, we're gonna be going now. I just washed my glasses, guys. Okay, it's hard to see. Okay, it's already on defrost. Anyways, we are going out before the big blizzard comes because we're literally getting a blizzard. So, I mean, you can see, look at that. He's gonna have to go back into the house to grab the CDs. He forgot the CDs. So anyways, guys, we just like to say thank you for everything you have done for us. We do appreciate everything you have done. You know, I hate going in public with wet hair. He needs to scrape the windows. That's the thing. I'm trying to teach him how to scrape the windows. He's not scraping, he's wiping. So it's already 9:50. Huh. But anyways, the kids are inside. Jillian and Taze, they got themselves supper. They're sitting downstairs watching Liar Liar. Zach is I thought you had a scraper. And then he did it. Okay, I can't show. Thank goodness it's split. We try to keep our house private. Because there are people, oh my gosh, it's blurry. There are people in this town that live here, and we like to just keep our house private, so I need to go out there and use, oh, okay. I love the man, but he does not have muscles. He'll get it. He'll get having muscles for working 2 jobs. But I'm going to have him go inside and grab my CDs. But he has to hurry because we're running out of time. Don't forget to scrape the windshield. Maybe I should go out there and do it. Maybe I should just do it because I'm like actually kind of strong. Babe, scrape the windows. That's okay, you give me the scraper, you go in and get the CDs. Go. Okay. He thinks that's good. We'll show him how it works, guys. I'm gonna show him how this works. Dad, give me the scraper. You're not good at it. And why is this window unrolled? Roll it up. Roll it up. You need to go get the CDs. Okay, guys, I'm going to put you in my pocket, so give me a second. They got it. That's how you scrape. Where's our other scraper? We need to go buy a real scraper. This ain't real. Go get the CDs and put those. Don't get me. We need a real scraper for one, guys. This little puny one does not work. Could you please just go inside and get my CD? Oh,
Makes
that
sense.
works. CDs. Okay, we really need a real. We have an office space somewhere. Who knows where it's at? Baby, you better not get me. Give it to me if you don't want to take it with you. Go get it, babe. Now. Go get it, babe. Now. Go get my CDs. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put you back in my pocket. Hold your little chonies. I can still talk to you though. Guys, we need a real thing here because this ain't working. This ain't working worth caca. Look at guys, I will show you, but I can't. It's literally covering up in snow already. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's deep, y'all. Can you hear me still? I almost freaking fell. It's already covering. Go turn the van back on. Why is that window unrolled, babe? Go on, roll that up. Turn the van back on. Restart the van. Why is this keep moving? Does it not stay?
I don't think it does.
Oh my gosh, this is big. No offense. I mean, no, it's fine, but it's not as wonderful as the dumbest thing ever. Mom, go back and sit. No offense. Turn the wipers off for 1 second. Make sure the heat is on.
Babe, it's gonna be okay. Let's just go. The snow's just gonna keep coming down. I could see. Come on.
Oh my gosh, your mom thing is stupid.
Hey, just let's get
It's
going.
stupid.
I know, but let's get going. Don't worry about it.
That was dumb. We're buying our own. Okay, let's go. Anyways, I'm frozen now. I'm gonna be sick because my hair's wet. I tried to scrape what I can.
It'll be good because I can see. It's coming down too quick.
Yeah, it's okay, guys. Literally, the snow's coming down bad. I literally cleaned these off, and it already filled back up. So, anyways, guys, where's my CDs? Okay. Before I end this video, oh my gosh, my hair needs brushed. It's like cold. It is freezing. Our blizzard's supposed to start to 11, not 9:57. I'm gonna file a complaint. Oh yes, I'm gonna file a complaint because they said 9:50 or they said 11 and it's 9:57. Okay, so just go straight. We're going to you know where. So, anyways, guys, I should be driving. I can't. I've been drinking, but I think I'm better at this kind of. I hate it, but I'm better at it. But anyways, guys, isn't the snow beautiful? You can't see, unfortunately. And look at the beautiful Christmas lights. I love this time of season. I love snow. I love it. We're gonna get a lot of snow. A lot. I will.
3 to 5 inches.
3 to 5 inches. And it said blizzard because it's gonna be super windy. You can't see the road. La da 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 da. But I don't have to drive in it, so I'm good. And Robert does pretty good. Robert get in the middle of the road. He's usually pretty good at driving in the snow. He takes his time. He's careful. And unfortunately, where we're going, they close at 11. So I'm gonna have to be chugging a lot of alcohol beverages. If they haven't closed yet because of the snow. But if they have, we'll go somewhere else that serves alcohol. And most likely the only place there is like, yeah. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys how crazy it is outside and how, I mean, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. I love snow. I don't like to be in it, but I love it. So, we will, guys, get back to you when we are done where we're going. Because this is like our time to be alone. I mean, it's gonna probably take us forever to get there because the roads are bad. I mean, by the time we get there, they'll probably be closed. You know, but we'll get there eventually. Oh, I was gonna bring me a drink. I was gonna put in an Aquafina bottle. Damn it. Oh well, I guess. But anyways, here we go, y'all. Here we go. This is exciting. And by the time we leave, it's gonna be shitty out.
It's gonna be even worse than this.
Yeah, it's gonna be worse. We'll do another video on our way back, just for you guys. See all that snow? It's crazy. We'll do another video, but we're not leaving until we can see out the window. Robert's gonna have to take that ghetto crap out and scrape. I think we should go to the store and buy a real one, babe, okay? We're gonna get a real one. Because that, I couldn't even scrape with it. How many people have a little scraper like this big to scrape a window? That's not cool. It's usually a little bigger. But that one was so puny. Babe, by the time we get there, it's gonna be closed. You know this, right? Do you want me to drive? Because I could get us there a little bit faster. But anyways, I can get us there a little faster, like in a minute. Like a minute less than what he can get us. I'm basically saying I suck.
A minute less?
Yeah.
That's
A minute
close.
less than what you could get us there.
That's
I'd just be
really
funny.
close.
I
It's
know.
much safer this way.
I know. So, yes, anyways, y'all, so this is what's going on. We're going to the zoo.
We're off to see the wizard. I wonder if the wizard was.
Exactly.
Oh, look. Look at their slide.
They are sliding. We're screwed, guys.
Yeah. There you guys, the truck. Supposed to be better to handle. Better traction on the wheels.
Yep.
It's gotta be careful. No joke.
Yeah, guys, it's pretty bad out here.
I'm going 15 miles an hour.
But I would like some music. I mean, I talk a lot, huh? I mean, look at all the snow already, guys. We already had a snowstorm. And we had, what, a day of nice weather. And now it's back to a blizzard. We literally got a thing saying a blizzard. We actually, do you guys remember at the apartment, it said a flood warning? And someone's all like, basically it was against what we were saying. Oh yeah, there's no flood warning. And I'm like, seriously? We have a thing, a notification that literally said flood warning. I mean, we have it. We don't get a flood, but we have warnings because sometimes, like in our neighborhood back then, the roads were full of water. Remember, it was moving the trash can or trash bags. There was so much water in the road that
Did we
trash
do that
bag.
on one
Yeah,
of the videos?
yeah, it's on one of our videos, guys. Check it out. It's near the one that has the tree that fell over. Around that,
It's
yeah, he
still
slid
sliding.
again. But
They're
just
going
go
so
look at it.
fast.
Yeah, he's
Look,
too
look.
bitty. Yeah, guys, look at that truck is sliding because he's rushing. You're not supposed to freaking rush.
Slow
Turn
your
into the
ass down.
Kmart area, okay? Look, you can see his trail. He's in too much. Look, he's in a hurry.
Look, slide all over the
He's
place.
probably drunk. See, yeah, I've been drinking, but I have a designated driver. That's what I like about you're a safe driver.
Yeah. And like
Yeah.
I told Jillian, the more people out there that I care about and I love, I will drive even safer.
Exactly.
Not that just you alone is that's safe, but I'm saying the more people I care about and love about them, I take even more
Exactly.
interest in you.
I know what you're saying.
I love you so much.
I know, babe. But anyways, we're gonna end this video. But what was
Jillian,
I
my
saying?
number one.
Oh, thanks. We looked at a house over here, guys, but the traffic's horrifying, so we didn't. But I don't know what I was saying, but we're gonna go and eat, so we'll be back later. I don't know what I was saying, to be honest, so I'm sorry, guys. What was I talking about before you brought up the truck?
I don't know. Like I said, we're gonna go soon. I don't know.
Oh, that's not it. Well, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, how we only had we had like a day of niceness. Is that what? I don't know. But look
That
at all
was
that
before,
snow. Oh, and then I talked about something. I don't know. I'm sorry. So we're gonna go when
The
this
flood
into this
warning was
video.
last thing, I think, then.
Huh?
Flood warning was like last thing. I'll get
Oh.
warnings for the
But
floods.
we got a blizzard warning now,
Yeah,
so yeah, I think it's gonna happen. But anyways, these potholes will be filled in with snow then.
They're actually not filled right now.
No, they
Which-
will be, I said. When the blizzard comes. Oh shit. So, I hope we get a seat close to the toilet because I have to pee a lot. Baby. So anyways, we're gonna go, guys. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. If you see the yellow, if you see the red word subscribe, that means you're not subscribed to us. So make it gray so you can be part of our family. Please give us a thumbs like. Hit that cute little notification bell below. But make sure you hit the ones that get all of our notification because we do live streams. If you want to join our live streams, do that. So anyways,
Currently live right
they're
now.
still hiring. I bet they'd hire you in a heartbeat if they're still hiring. And they close early, babe. You should do it. But okay, anyway, sorry. Anyways, we will see you guys later. We love all of you guys, all of our subscribers, and we'll love our new ones. Join the Wild Six family, and we are gonna go, and it looks like they're closed. Nobody's there, is there? Alright, anyways, bye. You're on the sidewalk. Bye. Later all.
Later, all peace.